Well, Missy, I know you're having a constant struggle with your feet. Let's see if you can get those toesies into your mouth. What do you think? Still not talking yet, huh?
Oh, you don't. Oh,
You got your feetsies? Dude, you can do it. Get them into your mouth. Yeah.
That's how she's going to use it.
Oh, there's another foot over there, but it's so far away. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Can I break it? I hope not. No, you're flexible.
Yeah, I think the first time I saw her sit up, I was so pathetic.
Whoa.
Not even a week.
I don't know why I'm playing with your feet like you're a cat, but... toe jam.
Hey, each his own. What? Toe jam. Toe jam? Some people just love toe jam. What?
I think June is one of them.
Yeah.